Usambut Menteri ng Baka Jala Mikhlaya Badikmi Ektra PWD Ba Prestun Tinsong Lopan Pau Hak Darbar Mang Tingka Kaya Darbar Thawai Kajala Baka Trap Hi Kasapai Jingpynshai Now Executive Engineer Bah Ransom Sutnga Balasha Kanau Bedangkti Hai Kam saiñpyrthei Habajuma Biak Zero Award Notice Blawara Dau Nong Thawai Narang Sakwana Zin Sangma Khanyau Trik Luber Arjar Puar Baladawa Badai Penchitam Yu Bah Ransom Blapan Kenya Kikendon Kamikhlaya Service Conduct Rule Arjar Kakandai Uba Prestun uloong baki kendon ki bayadai on sashim na ka service rule. Haba puli kai pat kubor. Uzenet uloong Bah Ransom badai executive engineer ka PWD building wa Dr. Kharuki MP Garja Sabha bat president ke NPP Mikhlaya kila pulong ni jinglang parti ha North Shillong constituency. Ha kati jinglang Dr. Kharuki la penito bat penkup yu Bah Ransom da ka jain tawa ka badan ni ka siap ka NPP bat ka juga po la penbena Bah Ransom Kumkartong ke NPP na North Shillong hak election balwan.
Under Rule 49A of Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business of this August House, relating to the news item appeared in Maupur on the 16th March 2022 with heading Hato Pnkei Ain U Engineer but MP Haka Jingpynshai Kirtong North Shillong. Mr. Speaker, sir, I will be very brief in my submission. Sir, according to this news item, Mr. Ransom Sutnga, who is Executive Engineer in PWD building, and Dr. W.R. Kharluki, Member of Parliament, Rajya Sabha, who is also the State Unit President of the National People's Party, along with some party leaders of NPP, held some party meeting in some locality under Shillong North constituency. In the meeting, Dr. W.R. Kharluki, the State President of NPP, introduced, felicitated by putting the scarves having the symbol of the party of NPP and announced that Sri Ransom Sutnga would be the NPP candidate for Shillong North constituency in the next Assembly General Election. Sir, now the question is, Mr. Ransom Sutnga is still the Executive Engineer in the Department of PWD building, and he has not resigned from his post till date. But whereas he was holding meeting in political platform, involving in political activities, so does the law permit? According to Meghalaya Service Conduct Rules 2019, which was published in the Meghalaya Gazette on the 4th of November 2019, Section 20 states that any government employee cannot participate in any political activities or be part of any political party as long as he or she is in service. Now, Mr. Speaker, sir, when anybody is involved in any political activities, when one is still in service, definitely one will misuse his position as the government employee. There can be favoritism and nepotism, which is, of course, against the law. The actions of Mr. Ransom Sutnga, who is still the Executive Engineer PWD building, attracts the provision of the Meghalaya Service Conduct Rules 2019. Therefore, action should be definitely taken against this officer under a provision of the relevant laws. Otherwise, it is going to create bad precedents. There can be serious negative ramification in future because majority of the people, they don't read rules. They go by the trends. So, here I therefore urge upon the government to take appropriate action under the appropriate section of the relevant laws and rules and send a strong message to any other such government employee in future. Sir, with this submission, once again, thanking you for giving me this opportunity and admitting this 0-hour notice, I resume my seat.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I am very thankful to the honorable member, Mr. Srinit Sama, member of MLA from Rangsakuna, for bringing the Jira notice under the caption Hatu penkhen u engineer but MP jingpyn bena kertong notch long. Sir, briefly, on seeing the paperclip, the department has decided to issue explanation notice, and necessary action also will be taken according to the provision of the service rules. With these few words, I conclude my speech.